Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell of 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow.
Woo. What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex back. Good morning. Let's try that again. What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex here from Hoppos with another video for you guys. And today, I'll tell you what. I'm feeling lucky. Ooh, the guy's already starting up on the frame. Bright and early in the morning. It's about 6:45 right now. Today's project, pretty much, we got a lot of things gonna be happening today. Today we have that. This is roughly 475 feet of material that has to be cut up today. We got a lot of cutting we gotta do on the Armada saw. We have a lot of cutting we have to do on the Stealth laser. And we're gonna be finalizing the top side of the 58 Impala. All right, maybe I wasn't so lucky today. Didn't do so good on the scratchers. Only $36 on these guys. Guess we gotta play again.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour.
Getting the laser fired up real quick. Gotta get this cutting because the guys are waiting for me to get some battery racks, which battery racks have been selling out like freaking crazy. So we are completely out of our 2s right now. So I gotta cut up a whole bunch of 2 battery racks. I'm gonna get the brake set up real quick, and we're gonna wait for this one to fire up. We're gonna go start the brake. We got a full sheet that we're gonna be cutting up, full 5x10. This guy's gonna be running for just about 30 minutes, 29 minutes and 7 seconds. So in that time, we're gonna go set up the press brake real quick to get that ready for the bending of all the battery racks. Then we're golden. Then we make our way over to the 58. All right, looks like we got all the battery racks pretty much good in stock. 2s back in stock, holders. Once again, Vic's just standing there. 6 times in this video. Mike's actually working. Are you gonna go stand over there? Hey, there's a really nice spot over here. If you want to watch them. All day. You gotta get you some boots that are gonna make you run faster, work faster. Yeah, how are your boots even that dirty? But you don't even do nothing. You can wear chanclas here. You're making good progress on the frame still. Look at, finally carrying 1 piece of pipe. Wow. In all seriousness, the guys are freaking busting their butts over there. They're working away. They got everything pretty much done on the top side. They got like 3 more pieces they gotta do, tack on. So that's looking good. Our goal was to get that done yesterday, but we fell a little bit behind as far as time on cutting because I was cutting so much yesterday. I wasn't able to cut them the pieces they needed in time for that frame kit. The piece of pipe that you saw Vic carrying is actually that pipe right there. So we're gonna get measurements on that. We're gonna restock our 55 to 57 Tri-5 bridge kit, which that's one of our big sellers. So we got the pipe here. Gotta chop it up. We gotta get, actually the guys already got 1/2-inch plate up there on the laser on the back shuttle table, and we're gonna be shuttling that back into here as soon as we finish up with the wheel stand overlays. There's so many things going on right now. We're just like all over the place, but we're making progress. We're doing good. In the meantime, while the laser's cutting, they're cutting the pipe, the guys doing the frame, Mike's doing all those Impala brackets. I gotta go back and do some Y-bones real quick. I got about 16 minutes before this is done, so I should be able to knock out a Y-bone or 2 in between there. Then I'll come back and load the other stuff up. Right now what we're doing is we're just adding some more to our plate here. Like if we didn't already have enough here, but we're making space right now, making space that which we don't have, and very critical space, but for a very big project, a project that you guys have been asking for a lot on Instagram, and a project that I need to get done. And it's one of my personals this year for SEMA, which is fully sponsored by House of Colors, which is sponsored by Luxor Wire Wheels, and also sponsored obviously through Hoppos. But we don't have very much days left because we are flying all over the world this year for the Lowrider Tour. And with that being said, we don't really have that much in between time. Like literally some of these weeks, we land on Monday, work till Thursday, and fly back out on Friday. So we are very crunched for time. I'm trying to get in contact with all of our guys that are gonna be working on this build to make sure we all line up our schedules. I'm already a little behind as it is, but we're gonna try to make this happen. We're moving the little truck out. You can see it right there. It's smaller than our vacuum for the laser. Yeah, it's small, I'm telling you, it's small. But just because it's small doesn't mean it's gonna be less work. It actually means it's actually more work because there's little nooks and crannies in between all this. So again, the guys are still cutting away on material, still working the frame kit, but we're gonna get that little Acme truck over in its position. We gotta start sanding down the paint, get to bare metal. That way we could get the body kit going. Bed sides off.
Yeah.
Jose's getting it all grinded up right now. Got everything all stripped off on the backside. He knocked all that out for me. Pretty much getting it all prepped. And yeah, I guess we gotta start doing some work on it. We're running out of time. So we got the wheel stands in the works right now. Jose's still grinding away at all that factory paint on there. And Mike's working on the setup over here. But don't worry, Mike. It's not that fancy. It's not like it's fully, you know, painted, engraved, airbrushed, chromed. Just kidding, guys. He's actually working right now. For right now. It is a hot one today, man. I think today's the first day where this heat's actually, I'm feeling it right now. Also, we just welded up all those wheel stands right now. The guys are still pounding away back there. So proud of him. He's actually working. Well, before we could even film it over here, the guys already beat me to it. They finished the whole top side. Now they're working on getting everything lined up on the bottom side. But so far, everything's looking really, really good. I'm very happy with the lineup. I'm very happy with these guys too. They're killing on the frame right now. So now what we're doing is, again, like I said, we're getting it lined up on the bottom side, test fitting all the pieces. Oh man, guys, today just kind of got away from me. We got so much going on with the Portland show going on as well that I didn't really get to film as much today because we just had a lot of other stuff going on, prepping for the show, running and having to go, you know, just make the last minute stuff to make it up to the show. We leave tomorrow morning. I gotta be up around 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. that is, and head out, pick up Mike, and we're gonna jump on the plane, shoot over to Portland, and then we'll see all you guys out there. So I'm very excited for that. So again, thank you guys for liking, sharing, subscribing. We'll see you guys in the next video. Our next adventure will take us to Portland, Oregon. So we'll see you guys there. I'm out.
Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos.
was cool.
Now that's a buckaroo, baby.
I mean, a drop top roadster, because the doors were welded shut, T-Bird, that, by the way, had hydraulics and bounced in the garage. That was pretty cool.
And how can we forget that performance on reveal day? I mean, that thing blew me away when it started bucking.
Let's buck, baby. Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, just touching on how heavy that vehicle is. Building a hydraulic setup for a car that heavy is a special thing.
Yeah.
A special thing. You got to get the right size hydraulics, and then you got to have a simple 6 battery setup.
No big deal.
to power
Oh,
them.
and don't forget a spring that can actually handle the weight that's happening with it.